Hi, I'm Haley,
I'm Melissa.
and today we're going to talk to you about brain development.
We have some interesting facts for you. Just open up. Did you know that the brain consists of 100 billion neurons?
The brain is 6 inches long and 5 inches wide.
The brain weighs 3 pounds and it feels like a mushroom.
Your brain is 75% water.
The brain is more powerful than any computer.
Your brain uses 20% of the total oxygen pumping around your body. So now I'm going to talk to you about the stages of development. And Piaget was a well-known name in the field of developmental psychology, and he's the one that made the
Stages of development.
So first one is sensory motor, which is 0 to 2 years old, and the infant explores the world through direct sensory and motor contact. And object permanence and separation anxiety develop during this stage. And object permanence is during the stage, which is the understanding that things continue to exist even though they cannot be seen, heard, smelled, or touched. Then the pre-operational stage is 2 to 6 years old, which that is the child uses symbols, words, and images to represent objects but does not reason logically. And the child also has the ability to pretend. During this stage, the child is egocentric. The concrete operational stage is 7 to 12 years, which is the child can think logically about concrete objects and can thus add and subtract. The child also understands conversation. And the last stage is formal operational, which is 12 years old to adult, which is the adolescent can reason abstractly and think in hypothetical terms.
The other major component of brain development is nature versus nurture, which goes into attachment. And nature is like what the brain is doing naturally, and it's developing naturally, but you need the nurture, the attachment part, for it to work together. Social relationships, surrounding culture, those are all things that help the brain grow and develop. So they work together. So without one or the other, it can't work 100%. Oh, this is what nature versus nurture looks like.
We're going to do this again.
I'm not going to do this again. This is a picture of how
the brain's brain development.
Yeah, it like makes the connections and all that fun stuff.
So in our pamphlet, we have more information about it, but we're just going to go over it briefly. The dendrites bring information to the cell body, and the axons take information from one neuron flow to another, and the neurons across a synapse.
So you can just see that this is making the connection to the dendrite, and it's taking in the information. So those are the ones that are really doing the work. And I hope you enjoyed our presentation.
That was our presentation about brain development.
Brain development.
We hope you learned a lot.
Yes, thank you. Have a great day.